exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, punches, lathes, milling machines, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a pretty exciting machine. You don't see a lot of them out there. It's made by the company Geka, which we're actually a representative for. Here's the brand right there. This is an automatic CNC punch. So there's a few different types of punches that you're going to want a CNC. The first one you'd have would be, let's go with a manual punch. It's a manual hand down punch, pop out your hole. Then you'd go into a powered C-frame punch, which would be almost like this. Push your foot pedal, push your hand trigger, and it's going to make your hole. This is kind of the next step up. This is going to have a powered table that's going to move your sheet around for you. You can program a bunch of different holes or parts. Here you can see what we're about to punch right now. Depending on the dies that you put in there, you can get a lot of different shapes. You can make a whole pattern. Everything can get programmed in here. All you got to do is put your sheet in there, hit start, and it's going to go ahead and activate and make your cuts, make your punch. You can see there's a very deep throat on this guy, so you can have a lot of different materials you're going to be able to put into there. And right behind it, you'll see right there is the other half of the outfeed table. So that roller table is going to go on the other side here. We're just kind of crunched on room. It's going to go on the other side and allow for your sheets to easily move on this roller table. You'll have it on that side. You'll have it on both sides. You move your sheet through, as well as when it's going to be here automatically moving, everything's going to move really smooth on these rollers on both sides. And depending on your sheet size, it can go ahead and move everything around. So we've got everything set up here. We're just going to go ahead. Right here you can see we just hit the X. It's going to move it up into position. And we'll hit this one more time, and it's going to go ahead and start punching out the program. Notice the machine, the sheet moving the machine, moving with that arm. Now we put just a simple program in here just to kind of let you understand the capabilities of this machine. It can punch through some really thick plate, 1.5 inch to 3/4 inch. 1/8 through 7/8 thick. We'll go ahead and pull that out, let you see how it looks. Now again, we did just a very quick program here, but you can see what we ended up with. We got 2 different size punches there. Got a punch here and a punch here. If you wanted to set it up to go ahead and do this type of style, excuse me, and then go on to a round style or square, you would just go ahead and change the punch right here. You'd change out your punch and die. Pretty simple to do, and if you look here, there's quite a lot of tooling. I know you can see in the pictures, a lot of the tooling's in here, all the different punches and dies. A lot of it's even brand new, never even been used, still in the original wax. So, very neat machine. If you're looking for just a simple punch, a single end punch, this might be better for you, that you can actually put a few programs in here. If you had a sheet that you needed to punch 100 holes in, it would take quite a long time for your guy to line everything up, especially if you had to do that over and over. With this one, you set it up one time, then you just bring your sheet over and make your punch. So, great machine, very heavy duty, and you can see it's all in very clean condition. It's all original paint everywhere, and it's all ready to go. Give us a call if you're interested in this machine or any other. 626-444-0311. Check out our website for current inventory at stirlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Stirling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.stirlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.